Hey Bethesda, ready for a magic carpet ride? Imagine walking on clouds in your own home or office. That's the Carpet Cleaning Bethesda Group difference, and we're right here in your neighborhood. From dull to dazzling, our crew works wonders on any carpet or rug, banishing blemishes and grime with a simple wave, or rather, a scrub of our eco-friendly wands. We're not just cleaning, we're caring for your carpets, your health, and our earth. Our team brings a breath of fresh Bethesda air to your space, using planet-friendly products to combat the peskiest of stains and odors. Think beyond the carpet, upholstery, mattresses, and more. There's no quest too great for our cleaning champions. Watch us turn your home or office into a haven of cleanliness. All it takes is one simple call to 202-640-1204 to kickstart your cleaning adventure. And it's free to find out just how magical it can be. No wizards required, just the Carpet Cleaning Bethesda pros. Still watching? You're exactly who we love to help. People who care about their environment inside and out. You deserve a backdrop worthy of life's best moments, and we deliver each and every time. Don't settle for less when a cleaner, fresher, more vibrant Bethesda is just a Carpet Cleaning Bethesda Group away. Say goodbye to dirt and hello to a home that feels brand new.